Alright, I'm back. I had to continue this video. As you can see, the dot has started dancing all over the place. So, it says we're right on the end of City Barbecue, which is City Barbecue. I don't know if you can see that real good. But, where I'm standing at, I'm probably going to have to walk clear over here to get us into that dot. Or, you know what? Let's refresh the app. Let's refresh it. Gotta move my camera over for you guys. Alright, release birds is where we're gonna go. Okay, now. See, it says we're right on that dot. And I'm in the middle of the parking lot, as you can see. More details. So it should really technically be up there. Way up there, as you can see. We're going to go down here to release and see what happens. Oh, okay. So the fun begins with the GPS. Let's go walk in here. After you refresh the app, it usually puts you somewhere back near your dot. We're going to zoom in to see where we're at. As you can see, it's being a pain in the ass. Let's go down here. And we're within 32 feet. We're within 16 feet. And we're still not able to release. Let's go over here, which is we're all the way in front of Pizza Hut. Let's go to release. Still cannot release these birds. So let's go back. Unclaim the nest and reclaim the nest, and let's take our same steps. Release. Cannot release. So let's walk over here in the middle of the parking lot somewhere.
Yo, Pierre, you want to come out here?
See how good we are. This is how bad the GPS is usually jacked up. And once again, we're gonna have to stop and refresh. Let's go back over here. We're gonna get right in the spot. Now this is the spot where I was telling you guys in the last video I made that sometimes you will have to trick the damn thing to get to it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna stop right here. This is where they're supposed to be. At this first pole, they have pictured in the account. So now let's see. Let's start our app. Let's go to release birds. And let's see. More details. Let's say release. And once again, not releasing. Within 16 feet. So let's see. Let's wait on the map to catch up here. Let's zoom in. As you can see, it says we're like a green mile away from City Barbecue. And clearly, City Barbecue is right here. So guys, I'm gonna end this video. I will make the video here in a minute to me putting this out. I've got to restart my phone and see what's going on. Maybe it's a cellular device issue, not sure. But we're going to find out here in a second. Okay, stay tuned.